How to connect a landline phone to an Xfinity modem. So basically a setup for the voice ports, but in general this should be very simple. But you gotta make sure these are already prepared. So you can connect a landline phone to Xfinity modem if your modem has a telephone port, which should just look something like this over here in the back of the router. There's this port. Just find a little phone symbol. That's pretty much a port for your telephone, and your Xfinity voice service is active. Once that is all ready, you're also going to need an RJ11 telephone cable, which is smaller than an Ethernet cable. So expectedly, you should already have this kind of wire that comes with the telephone itself. What you're going to do with this is just connect it to the back of the telephone itself, or just find the RJ11 port on your telephone and then connect it directly to your router. So the wiring should just look something like this. The power cable goes to this section of the router, and then here for the telephone port, you can connect it directly from your telephone to the router itself. You don't have to mind this little section over here. That's a different wire. So you can imagine it just going from here to here directly. And with that, you can also go ahead and use splitters if you want more devices to be connected. You can use this kind of device. So you can connect the RJ11 wire here, and you'll have more ports for your router to be able to use more telephones for the service itself. So again, a regular phone won't work directly. You'll need an analog telephone adapter if your router doesn't have a TEL port or the telephone port. So remember that only RJ11 cables work for this connection, and once set up, your phone functions like a traditional landline through your Xfinity internet. But that's pretty much how you can connect a landline phone to an Xfinity modem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.